Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we're gonna have a look at this little device here. There's the cleaning device from Tineco, and as you can see, we did use it once, so we can actually tell you what's happening in general, how this works. It has this water tank in front where you put in water, and you also put in some clearing lotion or polish or soap or whatever. I would recommend using the liquid that is suggested by um, the company. In the bottom, you have this little bottom part. You just roll over the floor, and this is the cleaning solution. As I said, you fill that in there. You're gonna fill in 1 cup and mix it into the water in the tank. On the top, as you can see, we got a handle, which is quite easy to handle. You tilt the device and then it starts running. When you put it all the way up, it stops running. This is for cleaning the brush. In case that adds too dirty, you can easily do that. And in the back, we have the tank for the dirty water after we clean everything up. As you can see here, we filled in some water already, so yeah, keep that in mind. You scoop that in there, and then the device is ready. Now we are in the kitchen, and we will use it here for this video just a little bit, to be honest. You will notice that it's muted the sound. It's not really loud, it's really not a problem, and I would recommend going forward and all the way back as well on the same route just to make or get the best results here. So as you can see, I tilt, the whole thing is starting. You can already see it is getting a little wet on the floor, obviously, because you are using water to clean that. And then you go all the way, as I said, and then you pull it backwards to get the best results. And as you can see here already, it is picking out quite a bit. Sometimes when you haven't done that in a long time, I would recommend doing that more than one time in total. Just go over there, let it dry, and then do another cleaning session. As you can see though, you can easily tell where I was running and cleaning, so that's pretty excited. And as I said, here is where the dirty water is gonna be stored until you actually open that up and empty that out. So let's hop right into the bathroom. After we're done cleaning, you open this lid and then you can empty all the dirty water. I would recommend putting that in the toilet because it is pretty nasty most of the time, and you will be surprised how much dirt you can actually scoop up from the floor. And that's going to be it for today. My name is Badger, and I'm out.